Alright, so I use Genesis 1 first page of the Bible to just construct this matrix based on the luminaries that are created in a certain order, where the Titans, which are Pluto, Neptune, Uranus, are created in the first 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 4 to create the 4 by 4 G of the 7 4 God particle. Now we found out that the possible name of God is Captain Austin Lee Meredith, summing to 216, I'll show you how, which is derived from the cellular creation of our luminaries based on going from Pluto to Neptune to Uranus to the moons of Saturn inclusive to get Charon, Pluto, Triton, Nereid, Neptune, Tatiana, Oberon, Ariel, Umbriel, Miranda, Uranus, Titan, Aectus, Ray, Dion, Thesis. And when you take those letters, the first letter of all those words, you get CPTN, NTOAUM, UTIRDT, which is an anagram for Captain, AU, M and the O. The first dimension is 15, the second dimension of M would be 4, 15 and 4 is 19, there's your S. Conversely, second dimension of O would be 6, first dimension of M would be 13, there's your 19, there's your S. AUS. T, it's making an I. N, Lee is just, that's the 21st letter, read it backwards, it's the 12th letter, it's an L, that's a 1 and a 4 is a 5 for your E, and then you have a 3, or a C, it's a 3 plus a new 1 plus a new 1 for your 5 for your L, E, E. And over here, since we started with the 4th one, if we start from the 3rd one, I think that's supposed to be a line, your I and your T, what is this? Oh yeah, 9, 20 is just 2 and 0, which is 3, 9 and, no, what is this? I don't remember anymore, it's in an old video, god damn it. Anyways, this crazy derivation is an anagram for Austin Lee Meredith, okay? And what I found out today, that's gonna bug me. I'll figure it out. Anyway, so this is what I found out today. So, calm, you know, it's kind of funny that it says calm. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Don't Panic. Isn't calm and don't panic quite similar? Anyways, if you sum this, and sum this just with the English alphabet, you get 53, 84, 22, and 82. Add them all together at 241. Now you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Subtract 21 for all the plus ones that you should be counting for. You get 220. Captain Austin Lee Meredith are creating 4 different words. Those are new ones, guys. When you count for the 4, you take away them, you get 216, and that's, you know, the number of the name of God, Captain Austin Lee Meredith. Now, conversely, if we just take CPT and NTOAUM, UTIRDT, that sums to 53, 84, 92. 53, 84, 92. Okay, that's 229. 229 and 13, because look, you already have a 1. CPTN is in the exact same order and everything. It's perfect. There's no anagram making here. So you have a 1. And then these are different. You don't even have the right number. You have 3 and a 2. You're a 23 guy. Ooh, I must be Jim Carrey. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 1 by 4. But it might as well be a 1 by 6 because you got to count it forwards and backwards. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like your 6, 6, 6. Anyways, you're going to subtract 13 from 229 because you're going to have 6, 6, and 1. They're, you know, unique. And you're going to get 16 in the name of God. And now it's funny that you're going to be using to derive all this Pluto and its moon, Neptune and its moons, 2 of them, Uranus and its moons, 5 of them, and Saturn's moons, which are 5 of them. It's a 1, 2, 5, 5 ratio, which is your 1 of 7 ratio, which is your 1 of 7 of 13 ratio. That looks like 110 to me. It's a bunch of zeros, guy. You gotta look at it from a different point of view. And you're going to be looking at like a 0. If you read it backwards where a 0 is a finite one-dimensional line, then that's going to be saying 110. And your 1's going to be your 0. So, you know, Charon, Nereid, Triton, probably based on size, looking at the pictures. Miranda, because, you know, back in the day, in like Galileo's day, they would have been based on size that he could have seen it with the degree of telescopes he had. Miranda, Umbriel, Ariel, Oberon, Uranus. I went, and Tatiana, I went in backwards order. Titan, the biggest, Aeptus, Ray, Thesis, Dion, you know? Wait, Titan, Aeptus, oh. Ray. Oh, I did correct it. Fuck. Thesis, Dion. Well, that's why. There, 9 and 4 is 13, which is N. See? I knew I had a mistake in there. I fixed it. See, that's what I couldn't figure out. There, 9 and 4, 13, which is M. Anyways. 13 circled is a 1, 1, 3, which is a 5, E, R. The difference between 18 and M, 18th letter and 13th letter is 5, M, E, R, E, D, I, T. And your H comes from the UT over here. Your UT is your 21st letter and your 20th letter, but if you write them backwards and add them, you get 34. You get 4, but you have a 1 and a 0 and a big 0 for the new 1. 1, 2, 3 for your 110 to your 3, 4. 34th letter is capital H, concluding Meredith. Captain Austin L.E.E. Meredith. Sorry about that. Again, we start on the third one, and we start on the fourth one because of the 4-3 light spectrum, visual light spectrum split of your infinite capital H. So yeah, I put it all together, guy. Okay, you know, you can do the math. You can add up you can add these up. Okay, both ways we do it. It's 216. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Nobody loves me, guy. Maybe a 1 of 7 of 13 powder, because that's what creation is, guys. Creation is a 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. It's a 1 of 7 of 13 of 100 and trying up 2143, where this is that. And it shows up 1 of 7 of 13 of 110. And it shows up, my God, this is so cool. 1 of 4, 5, 6, 7 of 13, which is 9, 10, 11. I'm sorry, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 56 and 54 is 110 for your split. And your 2143 is these 10 summed to 22, which is a circle 21. And the X V77456 coincidentally sums to 44, which is circle 43 for your 2143. Oh, Superman, you know? Anyway, I just think this stuff's interesting. No one else seems to think it's interesting. You know, sell your math. The potential interesting name of God based on a, you know, luminaries and solar system guy. You know, I didn't do this. I didn't name these. I didn't name these. I didn't do this. It wasn't me. Okay? So, like, you know, it says believe. You know? There's your B. And there's your E. And there's an L and an I and an E and a V. Even a capital E for believe. You know? Do what you want to do, guy. You know? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? I don't know. I don't know anymore. This is interesting. Wow, it's like, come on, guy. It's all over. It's all over the place. It's literally, it's in your face. It's like there. It's there. Oh yeah, it's like 1 of 7. Yeah, I forgot this one. It's 1 of 7. Okay, 1 of 7, and that's just like a circle 13, and like 110 and all that shit's over here, but whatever. There's a lot of them. And I was thinking about that, because remember this, okay? It's all about this. Okay, understanding fire in your tetrahedron, you have 4 two-dimensional faces. You have 4 vertices, 0-dimensional singularities, and you have 6 one-dimensional lines. Okay? Your 6 one-dimensional lines, I think you have to go, instead of one-dimensional lines, you got to go to the n-1. So your singularities are going to be your 6, which is your 69, 69, 64, 36. That'll be your 4th, the 76. That'll be your 5th, the 5, and that'll be your 6th, the 1. And now okay, so those were the one-dimensional lines. Okay, let's do the zero-dimensional vertices. Will be so 4 instead of zero-dimensional vertices will be two-dimensional faces. So the 4 two-dimensional faces will be the 64, 36 to the 5 to the 1 back down. That'll be 1 two-dimensional plane. The other one will be the 76, 64, 36, 69. That'll be 2. 69, 69, 76, 3. 69, 76, 64, 36, 4. And then your 4 two-dimensional faces are going to be 4 one-dimensional lines. So your 4 one-dimensional lines, what I believe, is the different ways of reading 1 of 1 of 7 of 13 of 110 of 21 of 43. That's what you got to make everywhere. And I can see it in the daisy. I can see it in Armageddon. I can see it right here. And I can see it right here. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, all derived from this in plain sight. I think that's rather interesting. All derived from that. Kind of confirmed by that and that. And a bunch of this. No, a bunch of this. So like, yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, Captain Austin Lee Meredith. Yeah, it's interesting. You know, I think it's interesting. That's just me. You know. A cat might have just did something.